My name is 1000, and I'm an artist. I do paintings, I do murals, design clothes, run a small business. I've lived in Seattle for the past 13 years. Over that time, the city has become a huge center for big technology companies. It's like on par with San Francisco and Silicon Valley. Some of those companies are pretty cool and hire artists to transform their spaces into something creative, colorful, and hopefully a space to inspire the imaginations of their young workforce that is creating technologies at the cutting edge. I got an email asking me to create some concepts for one of those companies' new offices. They liked what they saw, and they asked me to create 3 murals in their offices in an area where employees can unwind a bit, play some games, enjoy some music, and appreciate art. This film is going to tell the story of me creating those 3 murals. Enjoy. It's day 1 here at the mural, South Lake Union, Seattle, Washington. I'm 1000. I'm ready to get this rolling in a construction zone. Let's see what happens. Yeah, mural day 1. So it has been 5 days. This is 5 days later since the last video that you guys were watching. My camera got stolen, so I have not been filming the past 5 days. It was a Sony A7 Mark II. It got swiped out of my shop in Seattle. Huge bummer. So I just went and bought a Sony A6500 because I use my camera for everything. Anyway, $1,400 later, here I am again, put in a bunch of work on this mural. It's like, this is sort of like a cooking show, like the before and after thing. Like they put it in raw and now it's like almost done. They just have to do the finishing touches. But I still have that wall over there and then the wall around the corner to do. So there's plenty more. Yeah, so I'm back. I got a new camera and we're back in business. Hopefully this one stays with me for quite some time.
I'm Haney Mcbride. I design spaces with original artwork, and my intention is to create atmosphere, shape the culture, create opportunities for artists. This is a digital innovation lab, and so the office is really hip and kind of cutting edge. Lots of little breakout spaces, and then of course Peter's amazing mural is going to be in what they're calling the game room. I first came across your rad David Bowie pool mural, and of course that caught my eye, and I, forgive the pun, like dove into your work. To me, the human hand, there's nothing that resonates and influences at a greater degree, and so basically partner with clients who also can share that value, who will spend the time to help me understand what they're trying to create, how they're different, and then bringing those voices together through that energy that they've put into it to affect feeling and change. And I don't know, there's just nothing like it in the world, and there never has been.
My friend Daniel is here.
What's up?
He hit me up and said, dude, let me shoot some actual good footage for you. And I was like, okay, bro, let's see what you got. Me and Daniel used to be coworkers back in the day. Now he's like a video guru, so I'm really excited. Some of this video you guys will be seeing like really nice high quality shots. Just know that's Daniel. And I'll leave a link to his internet stuff down in the description so you can check out more of his work. Yeah! It is day 7. I think it's day 7. I'm kind of losing track. But I'm kind of hoping that this will be the last day on this section of the mural. I still have to do another one over there and another one around the corner. So hopefully I can knock this one out by the end of today. I'm kind of jazzed today because it's beautiful and it's sunny and I got the homie here and I'm getting close to being done with this part. So that's super cool. Yeah, here we go. Let's do it. I'm ready to roll. Bam. where your brain goes into like different waves. Like, you know how there's like delta waves of your brain. So when you're making art, like, to me it's not like a fully conscious zone. And I just like to exist in that zone and let it take me where it takes me. It's like non-verbal, so talking about it and trying to put it into words is like just the opposite of what
it is.
It's good. Yeah. So I'm pretty much done with this section of the mural. That was about 7 days of work. There'll still be a few more touch-up things to do here and there as I work on the next 2 sections of the mural. Luckily, those are a little bit more simple. I mean, they're kind of like less complex than this one. There's a lot less characters going on and a lot less like crazy overlapping stuff. So, 2 more mural locations to kind of have this wrap around the room effect, and then I'm done. So, I'm happy to be done with the hard part. Yeah. Just added the new sketch of my friend Kirsten, a portrait of my friend Kirsten on this wall over here. Projected it, chalked it. This is the next section. Hopefully this should be pretty quick. I want to do this in like 2 days or maybe even less. It's just, you know, one person as opposed to like 30 characters over there. So, gonna just try and knock it out real quick and then on to the final section and then we're done. Cool. I thought it was here. Can we mark it off with painter's tape or something like that?
I think cover up all your work.
So I just got some bad news. The woman that I've been painting all day long, this guy comes up and he says, "Hey, you want me to ruin your day?" And I'm like, "What?" And he's like, "I gotta install steel plates like right where you're painting this. So I have to completely paint over everything that I've done today and move it over 4 feet. Just start it over." So there goes a day's work. Oh man, it's my fault too because I had the information and I just started painting wherever. So I'm gonna paint over everything I've done today and start over tomorrow. On my portrait here of my friend Kirsten. Then we have to do the wall opposite of that. That's the last thing we got to do. This is work week, the end of work week number 2 here. I can only work Monday through Friday here, and the schedule for this place is like 5:30 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. Obviously, I'm not showing up at 5:30 in the morning. I get here around 9, so I can only paint for like 5 hours a day. It'll probably be my longest mural ever in terms of days taken, but I'm only working short days. I usually paint for like 8 to 10 hours a day.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So I wanted the concept and themes of this mural to reflect the attributes of the clients I'm painting it for, and also the people who work for that company. Unfortunately, because of the size of the company, I'm not allowed to mention their name online. When you're as big as they are, you need to control your branding, which I totally understand. One of the themes I kept coming back to in this piece is the power of vision. See, from my viewpoint, this company is trying to create something new and really focusing on the cutting edge. They hire visionaries and forward thinkers. That's why sight and vision are highlighted throughout the art. Another theme is a connection with arts and music and nurturing the creative soul. This space in the building is a place to relax and unwind and be creative and have some fun. And Seattle is a place where music and art is embraced, supported, and celebrated. That's why I love it here. My third theme is the natural world. The Northwest has cutting edge tech, yeah, but it also has some of the most wonderful nature in the United States. And in this community, nature is everywhere, and I wanted to have some natural elements make their way into my art. And the last theme is community. Even though we're all crazy and we're all different, we can come together and make something beautiful. That's why this work features many different style characters all coming together to make something crazy and weird and colorful and beautiful.
Getting really close to the end here on the mural. Yes, just got to finish up this last character here on the wall piece and do a lot of the finishing touches, sign it, clean up some of my drips and drops on the walls, and yeah, collect that check. No, yeah, it's been super crazy working in a construction zone, rocking the hard hat and the safety vest. This is the first one of these I've done where I've had to be like Mr. Construction Worker, man. But hopefully once this place is completely built out and looking super dope, my art will fit in really nicely and just make the environment cooler and vibier and more creative and artistic.
All right, that's it. That's the end. This mural had some interesting challenges and some amazing opportunities. I can't wait to see how this room gets built out and turned into like a relaxing chill zone. I used all acrylic paints on this and finished in 15 5-hour days for a total of about 75 hours of work. Thank you so much to Haney Mcbride for finding my art and asking me to add murals to this space, and to Daniel Bender for his additional camera work. And thank you to you for watching this. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to check them out. Check this video's descriptions for links to my website, Instagram, Facebook, and more to find more of my art and check out some of my merch. I hope you enjoyed this crazy journey and maybe learned something. All right, that's it. I'll see you on the next one, and keep making your own art in your own way. Peace. I'm out.